Hello YouTube. I wanted to have a little play with video editing and I couldn't think of a better way to start than just get stuck straight in. So I recorded a little task I was doing on my Audi yesterday and I've edited it all up. So let me know what you think and we'll see how this goes. Right, today we've got my 2001 Audi S6. A little annoying problem I've had with it for the last few years is the passenger front door. It closes, but not all the way. It gets stuck on the second latch. If you slam it, it's worse. If you gently press it in, it's not too bad. So what we're going to try, I've got a new latch, going to try it on and see if that solves the problem. So let's have a go. So these are some of the nicest door cards I've ever come across. They're so easy, so well designed. It's just two little screws. One at the top here. And one at the back here. And that is it. Lift and off. Have your door catch. Everything else just on. 1, 2, 3, and it's off. There you go. So here it is, eBay special, unbranded box. Hopefully it'll do the job and we'll see how it goes. So after 3 years of unhappy passengers, we are finished. So door cards go on as easy as they came off. Just a case of plugging back in. So for 3 years of people being annoyed with you, slamming your door, you are now fixed.
Okay, so I've just finished editing up the video. It wasn't too bad to do, it took a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. It's somewhere, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning now. Something I'm going to have to get used to or get better at, one or the other. Having the camera down there wasn't too much of a problem, just remembering to turn it on when it needs to be. And all in all, I had a lot of fun. Hopefully it'll be the start of something good. As you probably saw in the background, I've got a lot of projects down there to do. And if I take my camera down, you'll be able to see too. So we'll see how it goes.